Obila ma Ahero e sub-county Manyando osechako apedha mar manyo achich moro mamiyo mane oyud njaga manengone romo $1.2 million e ode otieno manyoro. Achijno ma oyang kaka Atieno ne obuodho e obadho mar obila ma opondo kata kamano nyawadgi mamiyo to ne ondhi kendo lorne tesend obila ma Ahero. County Commissioner ma Kisumu Benson Lemparmorijo mane loso kod jofwambo e od achichno wacho ni gin kod geno ni dhi yude machwale e doho. Ne ogoyo erokamano ne jopiny kuom yango ne obila gino ma osebedo katimore e odno ma achichne achijego kanoga e nyasore kapok otere chirni.
Yesterday we were trying to look for a search warrant, but I think because of time we were unable to obtain it in good time. But luckily now they already opened the house and our officers gained entry, and in the house now they were able to net a haul of bang. We have 454 rolls, the large ones. For the sticks we have 81 of them, brooms 15, raw bang is 3 kilograms, Risla packets, could be tablets, about 100 of them, that is 100 times 50 packets. There are also something else called with top white, 3 packets, it's 50 by 90 boxes. There's also 1 packet of supermatch, which is a cigarette, which is a contraband. We are yet to arrest the main suspect, a lady by the name Nancy Atieno, but the one that came, it was held in the house, is already in the police custody, and our officers have commenced the investigation and will take appropriate action to the tail end of the case.